If I'm not having scrambled eggs for breakfast, my next favourite thing would have to be overnight oats. They're my go-to, full of flavour, and they keep me full for longer. I like the combination of oats and chia seeds because it gives it a wonderful texture. They're also going to go lovely and creamy. So into a bowl, some oats, along with some chia seeds. I'm just using some white chia seeds, and we'll give that a mix. And it doesn't look like much at this stage, but these are going to swell once they sit and soak up in the fridge overnight. Now, the combo that I love at the moment is mango. And as we know, mangoes aren't in season all year round. So it's a really good idea to have some frozen mangoes in the freezer. Not only great for smoothies, but also cakes and these lovely little breakfasts. So I'm going to blend this up with the liquids into a food processor or a blender, which is what I've got. I'm going to add my mango chunks. I've just thawed them out slightly. Okay, I'm going to add a nice big chunk there. And the rest of this I'm going to use as the garnish once they've swelled up in the fridge. And milk, you can use any type of milk you like. I like full dairy, so full fat cream, and some yoghurt. We'll add that to our blender for some extra sweetness. And really, you only need a small amount of sweetness because all the sweetness is going to come from our frozen mangoes. They're picked and packed at their peak, so they're always going to be consistent and really, really sweet. All right, we'll put the blade in and we're going to blend this until it's smooth. All right, this is looking good. Look how smooth and creamy it is. I could just drink that now, but we are going to place this in with our oats and chia, and we're just going to give that a mix. Just fold it all through, and you can leave it in this bowl if you like. However, I like to use these little jars. They're fantastic if you want a breakfast on the go. So I'm going to fill these up, pop them in the fridge until they set nicely. Okay, these are ready to go. You can see that they've thickened up. I just love them in these little jars. And now for the fun part is just dressing them with whatever you like on your breakfast overnight oats. So I've got some extra yogurt, a dollop of that inside the jar. And we've got to add some extra mango. So the mango is thawed. Just want a small spoonful over the top so we really know the flavour of that. Look how pretty it looks. And some coconut, little sprinkle. Got some flax seeds. Could use some other types of nuts or seeds if you like. And passion fruit is also really seasonable. So if you've got a pack on standby in the freezer, it's a great addition just to pull out when you want to really give a dish some extra zing and sweetness. And the passion fruit goes so well with the mango. Have a look at the top, how pretty is that? And like I said, prep it ahead of time, pop the lid on, and you can take it to work if you're in a rush and you want a breakfast on the go. I'm certainly gonna have a taste of this one. Just wanna get all the way down there. Look at that. So creamy, so refreshing with the passion fruit and the mango. This is one of those breakfasts that you can pre-prep, you can have it all week. In fact, you can have this all year round, knowing that you've got mango and passion fruit in your freezer, ready to go.